Assalamualaikum students, this is Adika Batul and today we are going to discuss about measuring instrument lecture number 6. In this video we are going to discuss about measuring cylinder. So let's start our video. What is measuring cylinder? A measuring cylinder, also known as a graduated cylinder, is a common laboratory instrument used to measure the volume of liquids. It is a cylindrical container marked with lines known as graduations to indicate the volume of liquid it can hold. Now what are the parts of measuring cylinder? The first part is cylindrical body. This is the main part of the measuring cylinder, usually made of glass or plastic. The second part is graduations. Graduations are the lines marked on the cylindrical body. Each line corresponds to a specific volume, often in millimeters. The third part is meniscus, the curved surface of a liquid in a measuring cylinder. The fourth part is base, the flat bottom of the cylinder that allows it to stand upright. The fifth part is spout. Some measuring cylinders have a spout for easy pouring. Now, how to measure volume of irregular shaped body by using measuring cylinder. Take the measuring cylinder, pour some water into the cylinder. Now note the volume of water and call it V1. After that, throw the irregular shaped body, for example a stone, into the cylinder. You will see that water raised to some height. So note the volume again and call it V2. Now subtract V1 minus V2. The answer is the volume of the stone. This is the introduction of measuring cylinder. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.